Everyone, today I will show you how to fix a microphone that is not working on your PC. First, go to your dashboard. After that, find the speaker option. Right-click on it. After right-clicking, a small form will open in front of you. Options will come in front of you asking. From this, click on the topmost, Open Sound Settings. After clicking, a new form will open in front of you. As soon as the new form opens in front of you, you can see here that as I speak, test your microphone is working very well on its own. That is, it is not stopping. If this is not working for you, then you have to select Microsoft High Definition Audio here. From these options, if your mic is still not turning on, then you just have to click on Home here. Here, our setting will come to Home on the front of you. After that, you have to click on Privacy here. After clicking on Privacy, a new form will appear in front of you. As soon as the new form is in front of you, you will see the button here. Click on Use Microphone on the left. After clicking, a new form will open in front of you. Here, if you scroll down, you will see all the apps here that are already on your PC. As you can see here, I have turned off microphone access on WhatsApp Beta. If I turn it on, my microphone will also turn on Microsoft and I can use my microphone there as well. This pattern is for fixing a mic inside a PC. I hope this information is helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.